the other big development that we're tracking, Arvind Kejriwal's case is now being heard in the Supreme Court. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers have filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging the Delhi High Court order. The Delhi High Court had earlier reserved the bail that was granted by the Rouse Avenue Court just hours before Arvind Kejriwal's release. And now Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer appearing on his behalf, has said that this is absolutely unacceptable. The Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, is not a flight risk. He's called the move of the Delhi High Court unprecedented and has said that the procedure of staying the bail is unprecedented. The Supreme Court, however, has said that if we pass an order, we are prejudging the issue. This, of course, after the Delhi High Court had stayed the trial court's bail order. Now, what is going to happen, of course, is a story we're tracking very closely. But let's go across to NDTV's Aishwarya. He's bringing us up to speed with the very latest. Aishwarya, what have been the arguments so far? The Supreme Court, of course, has agreed to hear Kejriwal's plea a day before the Delhi High Court is again going to actually take up the case tomorrow, isn't it?
Well, certainly it is tomorrow when Delhi High Court will be taking up the case in which it was stated by the Delhi High Court to file the replies by today itself, and tomorrow they'll be taking up the matter. But just before that, it was Arvind Kejriwal's counsels who reached out to Supreme Court against the stay that was given by the Delhi High Court on the order that was earlier passed by the Rouse Avenue Court, in which he got relief and the regular bail was granted to him. Today it was Abhishek Manu Singhvi who reached out to the Supreme Court, and ultimately the matter was listed. The arguments started on the behalf of Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who stated that Arvind Kejriwal is not a flight risk. He will not run away and will obey all the bail conditions that had been imposed on him. And certainly it is against the rulings of the earlier judgment that clearly had stated that the stay should be given on the part of the order that was earlier released. It was also stated during the arguments from Kejriwal's lawyers that this is unprecedented, as the Delhi High Court had not given any relief to Arvind Kejriwal. Kejriwal's counsel also stated that this is a procedure of staying is unprecedented, and therefore the reason perhaps they should pass an order now so that Arvind Kejriwal can come out. Supreme Court in reply to the counsels of Arvind Kejriwal stated that if we pass order, we are prejudging the issue. That clearly means that Supreme Court first wanted High Court to give an order on Enforcement Directorate reaching out to them. Remember, after Arvind Kejriwal got the regular bail, it was Enforcement Directorate who reached out to the Delhi High Court, in which Enforcement Directorate stated, and their counsels clearly said that their arguments were not even heard by the Sessions Judge. It was a very
in fact, Aishwarya, I'm going to interrupt you because the breaking news that is coming in is that the Supreme Court has in fact said that they will hear this petition after the High Court has passed its order. Remember, the High Court is going to pass its final order. They stayed Arvind Kejriwal's bail that was granted in the Rouse Avenue Court. They stayed the bail and they were to continue to hear the matter on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. Now what the Supreme Court has said is that let the High Court pass an order. We will hear you post the High Court order. Aishwarya, this is a significant development, which essentially means that the High Court is telling Arvind Kejriwal to come back after, the Supreme Court is telling Arvind Kejriwal to come back after the High Court has passed an order.
Well, certainly that clearly means that there is no relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from the Supreme Court today. Supreme Court had stated that let the High Court hear the entire matter, pass an order on that, and after that, if the counsels of Arvind Kejriwal want to challenge the Delhi High Court order, if not given any relief from the Delhi High Court, then they can always appear. This will be a pre-judgment if they do not see the Delhi High Court order. Remember, it was the Enforcement Directorate's counsels who stated in the Delhi High Court that they had been given very less time in the Sessions Court earlier, and they were not heard eventually about what Arvind Kejriwal and his standing is in the entire case. According to the Enforcement Directorate, they clearly stated earlier in the Delhi High Court that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin and he is the main accused in the case. He cannot be granted bail at this point of time, and therefore the reason perhaps a reply was sought earlier by Delhi High Court. And when Delhi High Court stated that let the reply be filed from both the sides, and tomorrow on Tuesday they will hear the final matter. Arvind Kejriwal's counsel reached to the Supreme Court challenging the Delhi High Court, saying that there is no condition that Arvind Kejriwal cannot get bail. He should be given bail, an interim bail in fact, on the behalf of the order which was passed by the Rouse Avenue Court. But now the Supreme Court also stating that let the Delhi High Court finish the arguments, let them pass the order first, and post that you can come to us. And therefore the reason perhaps today Arvind Kejriwal has got no relief and a setback for the Aam Aadmi Party, as well as Arvind Kejriwal will continue to stay in jail for today as well, and tomorrow all eyes will be on the Delhi High Court.
Kejriwal, the Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing on Kejriwal's petition. The court has said that they will, however, hear this matter on Wednesday, which is day after tomorrow, after the Delhi High Court has pronounced its verdict tomorrow. That hearing in the Delhi High Court will take place tomorrow. The Supreme Court, interestingly, Aishwarya, has also said that if the High Court has made a mistake, why should we make the same mistake? So while, Abhishek Manu Singhvi has argued that the Delhi High Court has passed an erroneous judgment, they've made a mistake by overturning the Rouse Avenue Court's bail that was granted, saying that, they've sort of just asked before Arvind Kejriwal's release stayed that particular bail. The Supreme Court's made an interesting observation saying if the High Court has made a mistake, why should we make the same mistake?
Well, certainly an important observation over here by the Supreme Court. In fact, it was Supreme Court who said that we want the High Court to pass the order and then we will hear you. That means tomorrow is the day when High Court will be hearing. It was Abhishek Manu Singhvi who in reply stated that the High Court didn't hear us and stayed without the order of a copy. Supreme Court interestingly said that the High Court had made a mistake. Why should we make the same mistake? And it would be Supreme Court that will be hearing Kejriwal's order on Wednesday. That clearly means the judge, the observation that the Supreme Court has made that the regular bail that Arvind Kejriwal was granted much before the Rouse Avenue Court, and certainly the Enforcement Directorate the next day it got challenged, because remember it was at around 7:30 or 8 p.m. when the order came out from the Rouse Avenue Court, and it was all of those conditions that to be bail condition that needs to be fulfilled, and therefore the reason on the very same day Arvind Kejriwal had no options to come out of Tihar jail because the conditions were not fulfilled, and it was the next morning when Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal team was planning for Arvind Kejriwal to come out of the Tihar jail. In a hurry, it was Enforcement Directorate who reached out to the High Court. But because the arguments went for almost 8 to 9 long hours, in fact, it was the High Court which gave permission to both the sides to give replies and rejoinders as well to the replies, and therefore the reason perhaps they gave a fresh date for tomorrow, that is Tuesday. And this is the reason perhaps the Supreme Court had made this interesting observation that if High Court had committed a mistake, why should we make a mistake? Let the High Court finish its argument and order can be issued, and later if any of the side want to appeal it, then they can come to the Supreme Court. So on Wednesday, we will see if Arvind Kejriwal gets bail tomorrow from the Delhi High Court, and if he gets some sort of relief, then it would be Wednesday where Supreme Court again will be in the focus. But if not, then certainly it would be Enforcement Directorate who will be appealing in the Supreme Court on Wednesday. So no relief for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal as of now.
No relief for Arvind Kejriwal. The Supreme Court has refused to lift the interim stay that was granted on his bail by the Delhi High Court. The Supreme Court has said that we have to wait for the Delhi High Court verdict, and said it is improper to interfere with the judgment, or rather the observations in the Delhi High Court which stayed the Rouse Avenue order. They've also said that they will, however, continue to hear his petition if he doesn't get any relief in the Delhi High Court tomorrow. So chances are that the High Court judgment will in fact come tomorrow, after which the Supreme Court said if need be, we will take up this matter day after tomorrow. The bottom line is no relief for the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for now. He will stay in jail.